one of the newer players in the market, but we've taken market share so fast that it's astonishing to us. Another cool thing that we can do with the decor plates is we can laser cut logos. If you have internet, if you have data, you can control it from anywhere in the world and you're good to go. You're sitting in your backyard, you're having a couple of drinks in your backyard, you go back inside, forget to turn off the heaters, you're looking at your electricity bill 1 month later, you're getting a heart attack. You don't want that.
We're here at the Eurofase booth at the International Builders Show in Vegas, and Vikram is going to tell us all about their products. Take it away.
Yeah, I want to quickly talk to you about our heating division. Eurofase is a company that's been in the market for 40 years. We're a lighting manufacturing company, and we started the heaters about 5 years ago. We're one of the newer players in the market, but we've taken market share so fast that it's astonishing to us. So we're very happy with the success, and we want to see how we can extend that success with Modern Blaze. We have 3 families of heaters. One's the EF series, as you can see over there. So the EF series comes in 2 sizes. One is the 39-inch, that's the 39-inch heater. And the other one is this one, the 61-inch heater. So the EF series heaters range from 1500 watt all the way to 6000 watts. You have white, black, and stainless steel as standard colors. We can do custom colors if you want. You give me the RAL number, you give me the color code, I'll powder coat it for you in that color and give it to you. These are called the decor plates. The heaters usually come with the standard stainless steel grill, but if you want a decorative piece, we remove the standard grill and give one of these decorative pieces. And you have a nice decorative piece. It's an easy latch-on decor plate. If we have 7 different patterns, you tell me if you get bored of the pattern, you can take one off and change it in 2 years or something like that. So it's a very easy install, and it's a nice way to get a decorative piece.
You guys have them on display over there?
Yeah, so we have 3 of them on display over there.
Like,
but in total, we have 7 different patterns.
Yeah, beautiful. And the colors are customizable as well?
Yeah, the decor plates, again, white, stainless steel, and black are the standard colors. We can customize it in any color code that you give me. Obviously, there's a small upcharge. We can do whatever you want. That's one of our strengths, is our customizations. Another cool thing that we can do with the decor plates is we can laser cut logos. So if you have like a commercial job that you're doing, let's say a restaurant, we can laser cut the restaurant's logo on this decor plate and give you a nice piece, like a nice marketing piece. Now that was the EF series heater for you. I'm going to talk about what we can do in terms of recessing that. So if you're surface mounting it, all these decor plates are a cool aspect to go with. But the most famous application that we have is the recess application. People love putting the heaters inside the wall and getting a clean look. One of the 2 things that you need to maintain is it has to be level. The roof has to be level, and you have to use the trim kit and follow code. You have to cut a drywall pocket, build a Type-X drywall, and build a junction box outside to recess the heaters. What we do differently is we give you a turnkey solution. We provide you the trim kit, we provide you the drywall box, and we provide you the heater. So all you need to do is hook it up and start the work. A lot of the competition doesn't have these facilities that we offer, which puts you at a major advantage of working with us.
So this is the kit?
This is the kit. It comes with the trim kit, it comes with a high temperature whip and mounting accessories.
Nice. Now the trim kit, is it only stainless steel or does it come in different colors
Again,
as well?
Stainless steel, black and white. That's the standard color. You give me the RAL color or color code, and we can powder coat it in that color for you.
Beautiful.
So this is the EF series heaters that we had. I want to move on to the next family, which is the Low Pro series. So this is the Low Pro series heater. We designed this mainly for aluminum pergolas. If you look at this heater, this is a very slim and sleek looking heater. And the depth of the heater is very minimal. It's 4 inches. It gives you good clearance when you have smaller beams. And it's a modern looking piece. So it's perfect for outdoor structures like pergolas or awnings and stuff like that. It comes in 2 capacities, 3000 and 4000, and it's a 62-inch long heater.
Now, all of these heaters that we talked about, how do you control them? How do you turn them on and off?
Yeah. So the next portion we're going to look at is the controls. So there are 2 types of controls that we do. One is simple controls, and the other one's advanced controls. So the simple controls consist of your on-off switches. If it's a single element heater, you have an on-off, single panel on-off switch. If it's a dual element heater, you can do on-off, high-low. So basically control each element individually. What we did that's unique to us, what we did that's different to us, is we introduced a smart function. You put this module in conjunction with these switches. I'll show you. You put this module in conjunction with these switches, you have a nice smart piece. You download the Eurofase app and you can control it using the Eurofase app.
And this can be somewhere hidden.
Anywhere. It's Wi-Fi enabled. If
Yeah.
you have internet, if you have data, you can control it from anywhere in the world and you're good to go.
Wow.
This combats two features. In today's society, people don't like flipping switches. Everything's smart, everything's technology, everything's technologically advanced. So people like using their phone, people like using an app. So this gives you that feature.
Yeah.
One, you don't have to go flip a switch. And two, these heaters are easy to forget. You're sitting in your backyard, you're having a couple of drinks in your backyard, you go back inside, forget to turn off the heaters. You're looking at your electricity bill 1 month later, you're getting a heart attack. You don't want that.
Yeah.
So what we did was we programmed this for an auto shut off at 4 hours. So no matter what you do, at the 4 hour mark, it's gonna shut off. This is a safety feature. You wanna turn it back on, you go back to the app and you turn it back on.
Yeah.
You can do the timer function, you can reduce it to 2 hours or something like that, but 4 hours minimum or maximum, it will shut off.
And this is only with this Wi-Fi controller.
This is the Wi-Fi controller. It goes in combination with these switches.
Okay.
It's to make it a smart piece.
Yeah.
You either do manual or you make it a smart piece. Now these are the simple controls that we have. We can move on to the advanced controls. So this is our advanced control box. You see, these are the solid state relays that we use to control the heaters. What this box can do is one, it can zone heaters. If you have more than 2 or 3 heaters in a patio, it can zone it into one location. What is zoning? Basically, if you have a back patio, there's going to be separate sections. There's the outdoor kitchen, there's the seating area, and then there's the dining table. Let's say there's 2 heaters for the seating area, 2 heaters for the dining table, and 1 for the kitchen. You want to mark it up into 3 different zones. So what you do is you hook 2 heaters or multiple heaters onto each zone, and then you control them as a zone. That gives, and you have the ability to dim, you have the ability to do a lot of cool stuff with the controls.
Now the actual controls are inside the box?
No, so this box is where all the heaters are hooked up. This acts as, one, it acts as a sub panel, and 2, it has its own breakers. So all the heaters are hooked up to these boxes, and you control them using any 0 to 10 volt dimmer. It's a universal relay panel. You use any 0 to 10 volt dimmer, you're good to go. That's the cool thing about these boxes. One of the cool things that we do is we offer a 0 to 10 volt control, a 0 to 10 volt dimmer, along with the timer switches. But if you want, if you have a home automation system or something like that, you can control that. You can use that to control these heaters as well. Our box is tested with Lutron, Creston, Control4, and we've tested it with Shelby, multiple home automation systems, and we're compatible. It's an open protocol, so we're compatible. That's the cool thing about this box. That's our advanced control. You can do a lot of cool stuff. You can hook it up to a thermostat. You can hook it up to motion sensors, dimmers, home automation, whatever you think of, you can do it with this box. So this is basically what we do differently. We keep innovating. We come from an engineering background. All of us in the team are engineers. So that's the 3 series of heaters we have. Now, the innovation that we're coming up with in 2026 is number 1, this Wi-Fi module, we're gonna make it dimmable. Right now, it's only on, off, high, low. We're gonna be making it dimmable. So this is 1 per heater, and this is gonna be a nice add-on to the heaters. If you have like only 1 or 2 heaters going into a project, you buy the dimmable box and you're good to go. You can dim it using the Eurofase app. Same functionality, but with dimming.
Dim it using the app or probably a dimmer switch?
Oh, no,
the
so
dimmer switch.
if you use this box, you don't use the switch.
Okay.
When this box comes into play, this becomes a kill switch. It only feeds power and removes power.
Okay.
Everything's done through using the app.
Got it.
And the cool thing about this is, let's say you have 3 or 4 heaters and you have 3 or 4 different boxes, all of that can be controlled using the same app. You can name the heaters on the app. You can control them from the same location. That makes it easier. That makes
Yeah.
it easier for the user. So this is what we have to offer, and we keep on coming up with new innovations every quarter. We're constantly doing prototypes. We're constantly working on new R&D. So partnering up with us makes it very advantageous for you. And I want to see where this takes us.
The Marketplace Show.